Hello students. So here is the overall review of the chapter Knowing Our Numbers. Whatever I have taught you earlier in the last class, I am giving you the overall all the contents clear, natural numbers and whole numbers, Indian place value system, international place value system, then 1 lakh, 10 lakh, 1 crore, 10 crore is equal to is containing how many digits all are there. Natural number, it starts from 1 to infinity. Whole number, it starts from 0 to infinity. Indian place value system, what are the periods and places, how to write in words. These are the overall review. Clear? Here expanded form, expanded form how to write with the place value. You have to write down the expanded form. It's always start from the left hand side. First you will identify the place, then you will find out the place value, and in this format you have to write down the expanded form. Clear? If 0 is there, you skip that point. 0 no need to write. Then place value, face value, I taught you already. Place value face value also is the same, that number itself. Face value of a number is that number itself. Wherever the place is, it doesn't matter. Face value of any digit will be that digit itself. Then successor, predecessor, comparison, how to compare between two numerical figure. Clear? It's also when you will compare, always start from left hand side with the places. One by one you will compare both sides. Clear? Here you see I have written. Clear? Then estimation and or rounding off. Nearest 10, nearest 100, nearest 1000. It can be come in separately also. From one numerical figure also, all the three it can be found out. Clear or not? So these are the way I have taught earlier also how to find out, and always maintain the working column. Got it? Here also how to find out the estimated sum and differences. Clear or not? How to find out estimated sum and differences, how to find out estimated product, everything I have written very clearly. I taught you also. I think there will be no problem for you to understand, because already these all are known to you. Here little bit elaborately I have told you. Clear? And I have written also. So these things you will write in your copy in systematic way. Clear? Roman number, how to break the Roman numbers, then conversion of unit, these all units for length, mass and capacity. There are 7 units for length, like this millimeter, centimeter. For mass it is milligram, centigram. For capacity is milliliter, centiliter. And middle meter, gram and liter, these are known as standard unit or basic unit. So these are the main points I have written. That means it will help you while you will solve the assignments. I have uploaded the assignments. There I have uploaded more 2 videos also, where how to solve those assignments I have told you. One thing students, all the assignments whatever I am given you, you will solve by yourselves. I am not going to see that whether you are doing by yourself or not, but I have full faith on you that whatever I have taught you, you have understood, and you will apply your own IQ to solve those problems. Clear or not? Along with the questions, you will complete those assignments in your classwork copy. Books, exercises not to do in classwork copy. No need. Only these things, whatever assignments I am giving you, those sums you will write in your copy, and whatever the points I am giving you, those things also in systematic way you will write in your copy. And here some word problems also I have given. as an assignment. So here 4 word problems I have showed you how to do, and in the assignment I told you also how to solve the word problem. So here 4 assignments I have given. In this way you will form the statement. Clear? And always maintain the working column. Got it? So your first chapter is complete. In the next class I will move with the second chapter. So everything should be in your copy systematically, and practice everyday maths at home. It is not sufficient that whatever I have given or whatever in the textbook, that is not sufficient for you. You have to practice some extra sums also. Clear, students? Okay. Thank you.